Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you how to use YouTube keyword for your videos. You can get more subscribers, you can get more views, you can get your long life views from YouTube. I will tell you example. You can see my analytics, YouTube analytics. You can see first traffic source type. This traffic source type. You can see here YouTube search. YouTube search it will show 32%, 6 it's on top, then browsing feature, then suggested videos, then notification only 9.8. Notification means your subscriber or my subscriber, then others. Okay, so I will tell you why my YouTube search is going on top, because I am using every video keywords for every video. I speak in normal English, simple English, so you can understand easily. So stay with me until the end, because you can learn many things. You can learn everything about keyword, and you can learn everything about how to use keyword, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers from YouTube. So I will tell you quickly, and I will tell you the best 3 ways to get keyword for best videos. So let's start with this one. First I will tell you what is the keyword. Keyword means someone looking for something on YouTube or Google or somewhere, anything. It means if example I'm looking for something food, so I need something, maybe rice or something, anything, chicken or any mutton like that. So I type here in Google or YouTube, I need mutton curry or mutton anything, any rice or anything. How they are typing for that anything they need, that's we called keyword. Okay, so we need to use that keyword for our videos. That is the best way to get more views, because when they are searching our videos, also go to their search library, then they will click our video. That's why we are getting YouTube search result for here. So I will explain one by one 3 ways to get more views, 3 ways to get more subscriber, and 3 ways to get best keyword for your every video for every channel. You can get every channel keyword. You can get, if your monetization finish, you can get how much they paying, how much you can get for money from YouTube for using this keyword. I will explain everything, so stay with me until then. Okay, then we start first one. Okay, my excellent first site is YouTube. This YouTube you can use in this YouTube best keyword for your video, because someone doesn't know, and because they don't know, they don't learn, they don't need to learn, they don't want to watch any videos like this. That's why they don't getting any YouTube search. So I will tell you how to do that. First you have to delete your history. I already deleted, but I will show you how to delete. You go to first this library, touch library, then you can find here on the top like watch history. Then you can see there is on top there is 3 dot, so history control. Then you can delete watch history, clear watch history. Yes, again can clear search history. Okay, search history. Okay, now you clear, then go to YouTube search bar. This is YouTube search bar. Okay, then you can, what they are looking for. First thing, you don't have any video, you don't make any video, but you need to something, looking for something. Maybe you find maybe any food, you hungry, but you need to make that food. Example, you need to make some chicken or mutton. Okay, you looking for how to cook chicken. Then I will type like, you will type like this. If you made chicken video, okay, first you type how, then to, then C O. Okay, you can see here, this is our keyword. Okay, this is your keyword, but you have to look here my keyword coming here or not. You can see easily there is, you can cook, how to cook chicken curry here on the top. You can see this keyword. Okay, that keyword you can use for your video, for this for cooking only. If you someone looking for mobile phone, I will type mobile. mobile phone. Okay, you can here find mobile phone ringtone, mobile phone repair single, mobile phone hack single, mobile phone photography. If you're looking for this kind of anything, you can see any like that suggestion, or this is the keyword for that mobile phone, or otherwise you can find anything. Best mobile phone, you can type best mobile phone. I will type like that. You can see, if you type best mobile, you can find here best mobile under 30,000, best mobile phone 2021, like that. You can see anything. When they are like this typing halfway, so that viewers, they are touching this keyword. That's the keyword for, because they don't need to any full touching and full typing, they need know anything, because they can touch here, they can click here this keyword. Okay, this is the first one. I will tell you the second one. Okay, second one is the trending, Google Trend. Google Trend easily you can find in now this current time. You can find what is there looking for, what is they are searching for, what's happening there, what's trending there. If you want to make any video in YouTube, you can find easily what happening there in this time. Okay, I will tell you how to go. Okay, you can type here trend like this, trends google.com. You can find here. I click that one, so you can see here on the top Google Trend. So like this. So like this interface coming up. So first you can type here, you can see here, enter a search term or topic. Okay, I will search here, I will touch here, and I will search here for first same as first one. Okay, how to cook, because I cook like this, I type like this, because so many cooking channels are there that can help you for your keyword. Okay, I will touch here and I can search here and green color button search. Then you have to change something here. You can see the map coming here, so you can find it here, United Arab Emirates past 12 months, because I was here United Arab Emirates. I'm in Dubai now in this time. So you can change the country. You can put where you are working for. It means any language. If you are working language in Hindi language, you can find India. Okay, you can, if you can using Sri Lankan language or in the English language, you can use worldwide or Sri Lanka. So I will put worldwide. Worldwide means everywhere, everyone looking for. So you can find here map is changing. Then you can change another type, period. Period means a time, past hour, past 12 months, past 4 months, past day. So like that. So I will put past 4 hour. You can change anything. Then we have to change Google property. Google property means in Google search bar or YouTube or something else. So I'll put here YouTube search. Okay, this you can see here, map is changing. This is the world map. This blue color showing where from means the people looking from where. So you can find the country also, Jamaica, Philippines, Kenya. So if you make like that video, you can get from views from that country. So I will tell you. Oh, you can see like this for cooking channel. This is excellent, related topics and rising. You can see here grilling, strip stick, drip tip, corn on the cob, pellet grill. Then you can find more Blackstone. So this is the peoples are looking for. Then you can hear down how to cook meatloaf in the oven. This is the peoples are looking for. You can see rising 3750%. They are rising, they are looking for. When we are cooking something else, we cannot get any views or we cannot get any subscribers. That's why we are telling follow the keywords, and you can get best money and you can get best views, best subscribers. I will tell you more. You can see. Then second one, how to cook corn on the cob on the grill. Okay, so if you make keyword like this, you can make video like this, how to cook corn. So you can get like that many views and many dollars you can make from that video. Then how to cook asparagus on the grill. Then how to cook burger in the pan. how to cook burger on the stove. Many things available here. Then you can type this arrow also, how to cook chili in sea bass, how to cook tip, you can like that, how to cook ground turkey, so like that, how to cook meat. That is the keyword for your channel. You can make any, compare anything. So I will type here chicken, CHI, right, I put here chicken, then search. Okay, the same way past 4 hours, you can see red color is going on the top, blue color is going down. It means chicken, they are looking for too much chicken. So you can see here, you can see in this world map, this everywhere in the world they are looking for chicken. So you can find here chicken noodle soup original song, that for song chicken, you can see parmesan, chicken tenders, air fry chicken wings, chicken alfredo. That is the keyword for, you have to make food for that keyword. Chicken parmesan recipe, chicken fajitas, chicken grilled season 8, that's for I think something else, chicken tender recipe. This is the keyword for your food and your videos. So you can get more than 5 comparison. You can add here any comparison like that. I will put here kitchen, KITCHIN, right, like that. Anything, any kind of category you can put, check here. Okay, so this is the example only. So you can see how to cook burger on the stove. This is the keyword. You can see how many they are looking for. 4600%, not 100%. 4600% means how many percent they increase. How to cook meatloaf in the oven. That's so we need to create videos for that keyword. That's why we are looking for keyword. You can see many things you can find here. Okay, this is the second one. Then I will go to third one. Okay, this is the third one also from the Google, but we need to use keyword planner. It is on one tool of Google. So I already before make one video for how to make keyword planner and how to log it. So I will put in end screen. You can find the 2 videos and 3 videos. You can find any, you can get sign up, you can get use, you can how to use everything. You can get there, you can find there. So this is the third one. I will put like this, keyword planner. Keyword, you can see I already typing here because that I am already always using keyword planner. I touch it, so you can find here keyword planner like that. So this one, blue color one, go to keyword planner. So I go to keyword planner like that. Then you can touch here no thanks. Okay, no thanks. Then interface like this. Okay, once come interface like that, you can see here tools and settings. So I touch it, then you can go to last option, then you can search, you can click second option, keyword planner. Okay, then interface like this. You can see here bulb here, discover new keyword. So I touch it. Then first you have to change this country, I mean United Arab Emirates. So I will remove it. I will click it, and you can remove it. Then save. Mean you can put any country here, but I'll put here everywhere in the world. So first, same as I will put here chicken, CHI, chicken. Okay, I put here chicken. Then you can track result. Okay, this is the result you can find here easily, and this is the explorer. Explorer means type of pro, because means you can find many things, how many people they are looking for. You can see I put here chicken. You can see 1 million to 10 million looking for chicken average month. Okay, this month of average, you can see here how much they are paying. You can touch here bit. You can see here 150 dirham and 181 dirham for that type of videos. This is the keyword for that. You have to get that money, you have to use this keyword. Okay, I think you understand. You when they are put how much they are paying, this Low range, why we are looking for low range? Low range means anytime you can get big money. If you put here high range, so they will show only high range, but this is the range. The same range are coming, but sometimes they are getting changed. So that's why we are putting here low range. Just click here, you can find here dirham 155 means more than $50 per 1000 views. This is for 1000 views. You can count how much your country money. They will show here dollar, maybe euro, maybe rupees, anything. You can count as per dollar how much. An example, if you are looking for, this is I think chicken salad, okay. If you are making chicken salad, they will pay you 155 dirham in more than $50 for 1000 views. Sometimes it can be changed, but you can get many things for that you expect. So first we have to copy this keyword like this, touch like this, they will make tick, okay. So something you looking for is good, maybe you can see here. Otherwise you can see here, this is low. Low means there is no too much videos for that. That's why they are making low. This medium means someone they are using that keyword for have many videos, but not much. You can see many things is become low, but people are looking too much looking. That's why we get some keyword here. Then you can see here copy. Okay, copy. Then you can use this notepad and type here, and you can paste. You can see chicken salad chick near me. It means chicken salad making, but chick here near you. That's why they are using keyword. That's why people looking for. This is the way. I will show you again. So you can put anything. You can delete here like this, delete here, and you can put here like this mobile phone. Here, so right, I will click mobile phone. You can easily understand. So you can see here this change keyword, but they are looking for this high. Mobile phone means everyone looking. There is many videos for mobile phone, but you can see how much they are paying. This is the payment price, okay. You can get from YouTube videos for 1000 views, but you can see competition is something low. There is someone low, there is but something high. What is the low? You can see you have to always make video for low competition, because if someone there is high, you can get views, but pricing is getting very low. But there is nothing low, but they are paying, but so many videos there. That's why their competition is high. I think you understand everything. Then I would put one thing also for you. There is some suggested also smartphone, phone, mobile headset, phone, mobile phone, anything you can like that. If you are making any videos for that one, so I'll put another one, top 10 or top 5. I put top 5, okay. So I get search result. So you can see here they are looking for top 5, but big range there no money too much. That's why someone looking for something else, you can find this. If there is no too much payment, use another keyword, because if someone looking for money, maybe you monetization. That's why you can put anything here, then you can change. So thank you so much for watching this one. I will stop now. 19 minutes, 20 minutes already. Anyone teach this one, you can get many things for here. So thank you so much, and if you like, subscribe my videos.